Welcome back to Mountain Connections. Yesterday was Grandparents' Day, and United Healthcare and Sesame Street partnered together to encourage everyone to connect with their grandparents, whether it was safely in person, virtually, or by the phone. They still encourage everyone to do just that. In fact, they have some great resources released at UnitedHealthCareCommunityPlan.com. You can watch Elmo, a webinar, and more, all about how Sesame Street wants you to connect with your grandparents. You can also find out more in this conversation I had with Sesame Street and United Healthcare. Let's take a look.
Grandparenting today comes with new challenges and new opportunities to help kids learn and grow. During this global pandemic, it's more important than ever for grandparents to stay healthy and connected with their families. Joining us to discuss how to do that are Rocio Galarza, Assistant VP of U.S. Social Impact at Sesame Workshop, the nonprofit behind Sesame Street, and Lena's Alcora-Iza, Senior VP at United Healthcare. Thanks for talking with us today.
Thank you so much for having us.
So tell us what United Healthcare and Sesame Street are doing to celebrate Grandparents' Day this year.
Well, Sesame Workshop and United Healthcare have had a partnership for 10 years. And we do so because we want to support families, healthcare providers, and the entire community to help kids grow smarter, stronger, and kinder. And so for us, helping grandparents and celebrating National Grandparents' Day, which is September 13th, is so important. We created a website called grandparentsday.com. And in the website, you're going to find a webinar that brings families together with grandparents to provide ideas to practice healthy habits and healthy activities that they can do either in person or if they're apart.
What are a few things grandchildren can do with their grandparents, even if they're not able to see them in person?
Well, my grandchildren, my children, my goodness, my grandparents here love to do video chats, and they play games, they sing songs, they read books, and sometimes just talking about their day makes such a big difference for the kids. They also do phone calls when video chat is not possible. And we also motivate them to write letters, a little drawing, even if it is just one line that you send to your grandparent, is very important for them to receive.
And how can grandparents and families stay healthy, especially as we are heading into cold and flu season?
That's so important. I'm a grandma myself, and that is top of mind for me. And as you say, as we head into cold flu season, at the same time that we are battling COVID-19, more important than ever to stay healthy. And one of those ways is getting the annual flu vaccine. The flu vaccine is still the single best way to protect against the flu, according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. But it's also important for grandparents to understand if they qualify for more benefit, especially if they have both Medicaid and Medicare. They may qualify for a dual special needs plan.
And tell us more about the dual special needs plan.
Well, first, you need to have both Medicaid and Medicare. And then if you qualify for the dual special needs plan, you'll get additional benefits like dental, hearing, vision, help to purchase approved health items, transportation to medical appointments. And one that I love a lot is a person that can help you manage and coordinate the care. The plans are designed for people that can use the extra help because of disabilities, age, financial status, or health conditions. And if you're eligible for a dual special needs plan, you may enroll into one most of the time for no monthly premium. And that makes it a very affordable option for our grandparents.
And where can we get more information?
I will direct everybody to grandparentsday.com because you'll find information not only about the webinar, how we are celebrating Grandparents' Day, but also information about United Healthcare dual special needs plans.
Well, thank you so much, Rocio and Lenis, for joining us here on Park City Television. I love this idea of connecting grandparents and their families and also staying healthy.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you. Thank you so much.